someone's mind, right? So let's say, for example, you create something, right? You create a new way of washing dishes. And this way of washing dishes is something that you hope to sell. So what you might do is, let's say if it's a machine, you might go to an intellectual property law firm and attempt to get a patent, right? The patent means that you have a license, and not just a license, but anyone who wants to use your patent is going to have to come to you to get a license in order to do what it is that you're doing, right? Like say for example, I don't know.
Designer to use the
Huh?
a designer.
A designer is a kind of patent or a copyright, right? Let's say you design a logo, right? Like your logo, who's like the Chanel logo, right? The Chanel logo is something that only Chanel can use. There are other companies who might try to imitate it and have a different take on it. But if it gets to the point where a person can't tell what's the difference between the two, then Chanel could sue that company, right? For copyright infringement. Okay, because what they're going to say is that them using that product is confusing the consumer, and it's also diminishing the value of my product, right? So if I'm Chanel and the cheapest handbag I have is $5,000, and you have a logo that looks like Chanel, and for $200, then my Chanel, the $5,000, is not going to be worth that anymore in the mind of the consumer. So that does damage to me.
Same thing happened with David Ortiz and JC.
Right.
David Ortiz was trying to open a club on Dominican Republic. It's called 4040. So JC assumed David Ortiz for that.
Oh wow! In the Dominican Republic. Wow. Yeah. So there you go. Okay.
You do too, like if you take my title, and I can also sue.
Yeah. And not just title. If you take the melody, right? You might remember a couple of years ago, Robin Thicke had a song
Intellectual property law.
called.
This is
What was the name of that
intellectual
song?
property law.
Here, let me.